Hello, this is Sheila Stirling, and I'm the creator of the 8-Week to Wellness program. And somebody was asking me about investment, like, can I afford it? What should I do? What kind of investment is it? And I really want to talk plain English to you. What is your health worth? Because our health is really our wealth.
It's been a blessing. It's just a blessing to have her in my life, and I know that I can call her whenever I need some advice and need to learn something about a food, and she's always there for me.
For me, it's about being more healthy and learning more about food and how it reacts to my body.
You know, science is actually catching up with consciousness. Isn't that fabulous? And what science has really caught up with and now knows how important emotional clarity is, because it affects the immune system, it affects your overall health, it affects your prosperity and your bottom line.
It's absolutely amazing because I have released 18 pounds and eating wonderful food and things that my body absolutely loves. The energy that I have is off the charts, and I'm not hungry during the day.
And it's just been amazing. It's something I never thought I could do, but with her guidance and help, I'm changing the way that I eat, the way I approach food.
So I am learning about wonderful recipes, new food products to buy in the grocery stores that I hadn't really seen or heard of before. So I'm really excited about the new things that I'm learning about.
And since I've been on the program, I've stopped having headaches. I have not had acid reflux at all. And I think the best thing is I've learned how to manage the food in my life.
So I invite you to take a serious look at the 8-Week to Wellness program because it works. It's the program that works.
I was on her full program 4 years ago for 90 days, and it saved my life.
We look forward to having you join us soon.